Thank you for tuning in to today's awesome video. And we are actually at Mountain West MX Park in central Utah. I really like the track layout. My two things on it though are it's in the middle of nowhere, so it takes a while to get to, and it's a little bit too hard packed, but that's just me. Other than that, I really like this track. Before we get into timing our lap times and going over all that, I want to describe to you the passion that I have for this sport, okay? I'm actually rebuilding this current bike that I'm riding. It's a 2009 CRF 250R. The playlist is in the info card right now, so make sure that you go check that out because it is awesome. I'll be going through everything very in depth. Actually, I already have. 2 episodes are already up at the release of this episode, but I need to take a break from it in order for me to be able to clean up all the parts and make them all shiny. That way we can start the build coming up soon. Graphics are already ordered and they are sweet. Okay, here we go. Lap 1, beginning the day. Ooh, crucial mistake. Almost get taken out by my own actions. Oh. Really? Way to mess up a corner. Ugh. Make the jump. Make the... Anybody else hear that ticking sound coming from the engine? Yeah, that's already on the list for being on the rebuild. How do you fix it? You're just gonna have to go check out that playlist and keep tuned, because I believe in 2 episodes we're actually going to be fixing that. Believe it or not. And that is lap 1, with our lap time being, say, 2:31:17. That's awful feeling. I bet that you could probably shave 30 seconds off of that if I were actually good. So, I guess the best way to ask this is, what's the second lap like? Started the second lap, here we go. Feeling good, or are we going to be... Oh boy, feeling bad. making the jump, feeling good. Oh yeah, this is how you're supposed to ride. Well, not that part, but the rest of it's how you're supposed to ride a dirt bike, I'm pretty sure. Oh, all the rocks. They all want to attack me. Fun. Coming in, finishing up lap 2, feeling good. Here we go. Take the rut, take the rut. Place it, place the wheel. That was actually a decent placement. Just need to be a little faster. Doing great.